What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this episode. So in this video I am going to talk about XLNC AURIC OUD. XLNC is an Indian house owned by Mr. Mustafa, and he's a very good friend of mine. So this thing was hitting my Instagram feed for like 10 to 20 times a day from last couple of weeks, and I was very excited and I was very curious to try this thing, XLNC AURIC OUD, because Creed Oud Zarian is very expensive, and after testing that fragrance at Creed's boutique, I was not ready to pay that kind of hefty price tag for that kind of scent profile. Oud Zarian is a good fragrance, it's amazing, but it's nothing like oud in that fragrance. Maybe they have used a little bit of oud in the base, so it's more like a spicy kind of scent profile. It's good, it's not bad, but costing like 1,600 to 1,800 UAE dirhams. I was not ready to pay that much amount for such kind of spicy scent profile. So XLNC AURIC OUD is an amazing alternative of Creed Oud Zarian, and a lot of my reviewer friends have already reviewed XLNC AURIC OUD, and they have told me that this thing is really amazing. So I was very curious to test this thing out, and luckily in Beauty World Middle East 2025, which was like 2 weeks back, I met with Mr. Mustafa brother, and he was generous enough to gift me XLNC AURIC OUD and another one from the same line, which I'm going to review in another video. So before starting my review about the fragrance, let me tell you one thing, that this thing is nuclear, or I can say this is mega nuclear. Spray this thing in a room and your room will smell for the next 2 days. This perfume is not going to leave your room for at least next 2 days. So that's my personal experience. After using this perfume first time in my bedroom was like filled with this perfume, and for 2 days whenever I entered my room I was able to smell XLNC AURIC OUD. So keep this thing in mind. If you want something nuclear for coming winters, and if you want something very loud, something very long lasting, then this is your thing. So let's start our review, and as always we will start with the presentation first. So you will get this perfume in this packaging. So you can see the design and color of the box, it's brown. You can see the name of AURIC OUD, the logo of XLNC here with these beautiful golden lines, a lot of ingredient details in the back, logo of XLNC Perfumery on this side, and the name of collection, Niche Edition, is on the other side. And by the way, this is a sleeve. So once you remove this sleeve, you will find this black hard box. It's a solid box. You can see the design pattern, the logo of XLNC Perfumery on the top. You can see the logo of XLNC here printed in gold, Niche Edition, and XLNC Perfumery, their slogan or tagline here in the bottom. So to open the box, you have to pull this ribbon from here, and here you go. So the first thing you will get here is this beautiful card, AURIC OUD, and here in the back you will get the notes breakdown and some little story about the perfume. So this is the first thing, and then you will find this butter paper here, and once you move it out, you will find your bottle here. It's a brown colored bottle with the name of perfume here, XLNC AURIC OUD, and you can see all the design around the bottle. The cap here comes with shiny glossy gold finish, but it's made of plastic, it's not metallic, but still it looks good. And this is the bottle, and I'm not going to show you the sprayer because I don't want my living room to smell like AURIC OUD for the next 2 days. Trust me guys. So this is very strong, very strong. So this was about the presentation, and now let me give you the notes breakdown, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So as per XLNC Perfumery, here in the opening you will get fiery, something fiery, I don't know what is this note, and then spicy, and then it's sacred brightness. So I think Mustafa Bhai is just trying to explain the feel of the perfume instead of giving us the real notes breakdown. And then in the heart it's elegant floral rose, and then in the base it's deep, it's sweet, and then you will get mystical woods. So this is the notes breakdown provided by XLNC Perfumery for AURIC OUD. And now let me tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, don't get carried away with the name Oud. There is no oud in this fragrance, or even in Creed's Oud Zarian. It's a spicy concoction, or maybe they have used little bit of oud in the base as a fixative, but this is a spicy kind of scent. So the first thing you will get in this perfume is a lot of spices and a lot of licorice with resinous myrrh, a lot of sweet powdery tonka, rose and sandalwood in the base. So if we talk about spices, the spices are warm, cozy, and you will get aniseed, cumin kind of spices here. And when they mix with licorice, they smell more like aniseed. So it's like green, herbal, fresh kind of spices here with beautiful sweetness of tonka bean. There is like sweet rose, touch of sweet rose in the base, and creamy, soft sandalwood. So this is about the opening. And then towards the dry down, this perfume is not going to change a lot. It's not a very dynamic kind of scent. Even the Creed's Zarian Oud, it's not very dynamic. Yeah, it got some layers because of course Creed got that kind of quality, but still it's a linear kind of scent. So the same thing goes here with AURIC Oud. It's a linear scent, but definitely in that dry down, it will become a little bit more softwoody and a little bit more spicy. It becomes less sweet towards the dry down, and you will left with that licorice kind of spices, with herbal green kind of spices with soft sandalwood. So this is about the scent profile. And now let's come to the question of millennium. How close is this to Creed's Oud Zarian? So first of all, let me tell you that this thing is 98.8963% close to Creed's Oud Zarian. Get a bottle for yourself. Get a bottle of XLNC AURIC Oud, get a bottle of Oud Zarian from Creed, spray both of them on your hands, one on the left, one on the right, smell and decide yourself. And then you will come on my channel to thank me. So if you get a bottle of AURIC Oud, trust me, you don't need to buy Creed's Oud Zarian anymore. Yes, if you got the money, if you have that budget, and if you want to appreciate the brand, if you want to appreciate the perfumer behind Oud Zarian, then definitely go ahead and buy a bottle of Creed for yourself. But someone like me or anyone out there, any of my brother or any of my sister who are on a budget and who don't have a lot of money to spend everywhere, so people like us, this thing is really a banger. Get a bottle of AURIC Oud and you will be happy. So this was about the closeness of this perfume with the original Oud Zarian and about the scent profile. And by the way, if you guys want to know a little history behind the scent profile of Oud Zarian, do let me know in the comments and I will make a short video and I'm going to show you some fragrances that have been launched like 2 to 3 years before Oud Zarian, and they smell very similar. So I'm not blaming the perfumery behind Creed's Oud Zarian, but definitely all those chemicals, those aroma chemicals are available at the companies. Yeah, a lot of people are using these aroma chemicals in their creations. So if you want, I can show you that perfume which was launched like three years back, and it smells very similar to Oud Zarian. But because Creed is a big brand, they got all the resources to hype their perfumes. They do good marketing, good advertisement. So keep that story for some other time. So this was about XLNC AURIC Oud, and now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. Performance, I don't need to say anything. I have explained you in the beginning. This is mega nuclear, okay? If we talk about the gender, this is a masculine scent, but definitely independent, strong women can try it out. And for the age, you should be mature. If you are like 22, 23 years plus, then you can rock it easily. For the season or weather, the best experience will come in winter or in cold weather. Don't use this perfume in summer. It's going to choke you. And if we talk about occasion, so I can say whenever you want to dominate. So if you're going for a wedding party, if you're going to a club, if you are going to a birthday party, a dinner or lunch, any occasion where you want to be loud, you want to tell people that you are loud, you want to dominate, use AURIC Oud. And this is about the occasion, not a good option for your gym or for your sports activities, definitely. And if you talk about the price, So the price of this perfume in India is, I think, around 2000 rupees. I haven't paid anything for this because Mustafa Bhai gifted me this perfume. So I haven't paid anything to him, but I think it's around 2000 rupees in India. This perfume is not available in Pakistan right now, but Mustafa Bhai is launching XLNC brand in Dubai in coming few months, 1 or 2 months, hopefully. So people from Pakistan, they can arrange this perfume from Dubai if they like. So in Dubai, it will be around, I think, around 100 UAE dirhams. That's my rough guess on the basis of discussion with Mustafa Bhai. So this was about XLNC AURIC Oud, an excellent scent. So if you are living in India and if you want something nuclear for coming winters, do get this one and you will be loving it. But if you like that strong, spicy kind of scents, and all you need from this perfume is 2 to 3 sprays, and that's it. So this was my review about XLNC AURIC Oud. I hope you liked it. I'm going to catch you in another review of some another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.